Hey guys, I'm back again. It's Lisa Haster, your social media buddy and your go-to estate planning attorney. Day 4 already, we're making progress. I have to tell you, it's really hard to come up with topics even 4 days into it. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go into my arsenal of war stories because over the years I have encountered so many weird, you wouldn't even believe it if you saw it, things that occur in courtrooms. And I can entertain you for years with some of these stories. They're insane. But first off, I'm super excited for my event tonight, Lipstick Lager in Life. If you haven't been, hit me up with a message. I'll put you on the list and you can get in on the next one. But 6:30 tonight at Sisyphus Brewery. It's not your average ladies networking event, not salesy at all. We drink beer, we pair beer with Girl Scout cookies. Oh my God. Catherine is amazing for having come up with that pairing, by the way. So enough of that, and on to my arsenal of war stories. One of my favorites was when I appeared in conciliation court many years ago, and it used to be that if you're a business owner, you could represent yourself. You didn't have to hire an attorney. So you've got this businessman, and he's selling what he describes as alternative lifestyle vacations. And then you've got the consumer who's bringing a claim against him. And so when the consumer is trying to explain that he didn't get what he bargained for, I'm kind of looking at this guy going, I don't even want to know. It became very apparent that he and his wife were going on some kind of a cruise that the plaintiff was setting up for them, and that they were going to participate in this alternative lifestyle vacation with other married couples. And I thought, to each his own. The guy, the business owner who was putting together this cruise was, no kidding, at least 400 pounds. He was one of the largest men I've ever seen in my life, and that's a lot coming from me. He was trying to make a point to the judge by offering evidence, and it looked like they were brochures and maybe some photographs. And so he asked the judge, he said, well, first of all, you understand what I mean by alternative lifestyle, right? And the judge said, I think I've got a pretty good idea. I don't need you to elaborate. I get it. And he said, well, Your Honor, may I approach, as he's offering his documents? And the judge, no joke, his response is, you could do anything you want as long as it's not my wife. And I'm the only person in the courtroom besides these two people, and I howled out, I swear, the worst snort imaginable. And the judge and I made eye contact, and I felt so unprofessional, but I couldn't even believe that the judge said those words. So anyway, I don't know what the outcome of that case was. The judge took it under advisement, but I'll never forget it. You can do anything except my wife. So I ran into that judge about a year ago, and he remembered me as the lawyer who was howling from the back of the, he mentioned it. Could you believe those swingers? Could you believe that guy? Could you believe? And I said, what I couldn't believe is the response you gave him when he asked you to, if he could approach the bench. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the point here, you guys, anything, and I mean anything, can happen in court. You wouldn't even believe it. So you want to stay out of court. You never want to go to court. How do you avoid going to court? Well, you call me. I set up an estate plan for you to make sure neither you nor your loved ones ever end up in probate court. If you find this entertaining, that's cool. But if you have to encounter it and you're spending your whole day in court wondering when the madness is going to end and it's avoidable, you need to call me. Thanks, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow for day 5. Bye.